guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will look at the maximum score after splitting a string problem which is from Leetcode number 1422. Let's now read the problem statement. In this problem, given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substring, the left substring and the right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros on the left substring plus the number of ones on the right substring. Now in this case, if we look at an example of 0 followed by 111 and then 01, then we can see that what kind of split can we provide. So we can have a split at index 0, and if we do this split, then on the left hand side we have a 0. Okay, we have a 0, and on the right hand side we have 11101. So what is the count of 0 on the left hand side? 1, and the count of ones on the right hand side are 4. So we can simply iterate over it and count the number of zeros and the number of ones, number of zeros on the left and number of ones on the right. So the value will be 5. Now I want to maximize this score, so I will try all possible split. So the next split point S2 will be at index 1, and if I happen to do that, the number of zeros on the left side is 1, number of ones on the right side is 3, so the sum value is 4. Again, if you try to split at the third split point at index 2, the count of zeros on the left side is 1, the count of ones on the right side is 2, so the total score is 3. Again, a split point 4, number of zeros 1 and the number of ones on the right is 1, so the score is 2. Split point 5, the number of zeros on the left side is 2 plus the number of ones on the right side is 1, so the total score is 3. Out of all these possible scores, you will find that 5 is the maximum score, so 5 is the result for this particular problem statement. Now if you analyze all the start points, then all the start indices were from the 0th index to the n-1th index. If you are considering that we are splitting to the right hand side of it. So in this particular case, we have indices from 0 to 5, but the split points will be going from 0 to 4. So we need to take care of this. Now if you just try to solve it with the brute force approach, for every split point, iterate over all the items on the left hand side and count zeros, and iterate over all the items on the right hand side and count ones, then this will be order of n for every split point, and since there are n-1 such split points, therefore the total complexity will be order of n square. Now let's look at the constraint. Now in this particular case, the constraint is very small, so it is only 500 maximum. So if you write an n square algorithm for an n value of 5 times of 10 to the power 2, it will be 2.5 times of 10 to the power 5. So definitely this is going to pass within 1 second, and that is why this question is marked easy. But then let's look at an optimal solution for this problem. So again, what I need to do is I will be enumerating all the items in the problem. So let's say I am taking the same example. So now I will be just iterating from left to right, moving from left to right, and I will be tracking the count of zeros. So let's say that already I have counted the count of ones. So let's say I am keeping this in one count. Okay, so I have counted all the ones and I will be keeping it in one count. So I will iterate, it will be done in order of n time. So how many ones are there? We have 4 ones, and let's say I will maintain a 0 count, and this will be 0 initially, and I will be trying to move from one point after another from index 0 to index n-1. So when we are at index 0, I am assuming that we have a split just on the right hand side of 0, so that from index 0 till the current index I, we have everything on the left hand side. So what we will do is, if this value is 0, then I will increase the 0 count, and if this value is 1, then I will decrease the 1 count. Okay, so in this case the 0 count has become 1 and the 1 count is 4. So what will be the score? It will be the 1 count on the right hand side, because everything will be initially on the right hand side except for the first item, and the 0 count is 1. So the maximum score will be stored somewhere. So the maximum score will be initialized with 0, and I will be maximizing it with the max of already known maximum score, comma, the 1 count plus 0 count. So this will be 5, 1 plus 4. Now I will be iterating for the next index, which is 1. And when I am iterating, you remember that the 0 count value is 1 and the 1 count value is 4. Now this is the new split. Now in this case, the ith index is having 1 value. So that means the 1 count will be decreased because it is not on the right hand side anymore. And the 0 count will not be affected because this is not a 0. So the score will be 1 plus 3 4, and already known value 5 is maximum, so no update will happen. And again I will be moving to the right hand side. So now since we are moving to 2, this is a 1, so decrease the 1 count because 1 less 1 is present now on the right hand side. Okay, it has now been included on the left hand side, and this is not a 0, so the 0 count will not get affected. So the score will be 1 plus 2, which is 3, which is less than this 5, so no update is going to happen. Again move to the next index, which is 3, and for this 3, again this is 1, so decrease the 1 count on the right hand side because this one is now included on the left hand side. Since it is not a 0, so 0 count will not get affected. The score will be 1 plus 1, which is 2, again less than 5, so no update is going to happen. Move to index 4. Now when we move here, this is a 0, so the 0 count will be increased to 2 because this newly added 0 comes on the left hand side, and the 1 count will not get affected because we are not losing any 1 from the right hand side. So the score becomes 2 plus 1 3, and 3 is still less than 5, so no update is going to happen, and we will stop here because this is the n minus 1th index. After parsing this, whatever we store in the maximum score is our result. And in this particular case, since we had done 1 count previously, then it is taking order of n for pre-processing, and after that I started with the 0 count value of 0, and I am just parsing this entire string exactly one time. So the total time complexity will be n plus n, which will be equals to order of n. And if you consider the space complexity will be order of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. So let's now look at the code. In this problem we are given the string, and I am finding the size of the string and 1 count. So this is the pre-processing stage where I will be counting all the ones in the given string. Having done this, I will be taking a 0 count value with 0 and the maximum score initialized with 0 because all the values are positive. So the maximum score can only increase from 0, right? Now I will go for all the indices from 0 to n minus 1th index. That means I will not be processing the last index. And then whenever I see a value, if it is 1, then I will decrease the 1 count. That means the ith index item has moved from the right hand side to the left hand side. Otherwise, if the ith index item is a 0, then I will be increasing the 0 count. That means a 0 has been newly added on the left hand side, increasing the count. And then the score will be calculated as 0 count plus 1 count, and if this score happens to be larger than the max score already known, then the max score will get updated. After processing for all the split points, we will be returning the max score as an answer. So this is the entire solution, and I hope you were able to understand it. If you are someone who is looking to prepare for top product based company within a limited time of just 3 months, then we have brought for you both the DSA and the system design live interview training program. The most important feature of this program is you get a filtered and condensed structured curriculum, in-depth discussion of all the topics, and my guarantee of your understanding, one-on-one guidance with me, and live weekend classes. To know more about the training, you can WhatsApp us on this given number.